Hello everyone, welcome to Reena's Art Studio. In this channel today, I'm going to make this beautiful pillow beaded necklace in white color. Previously, I had made pillow beaded necklace which is of the same shape and size, but here I'm using four different sizes so you can see how beautiful it looks. Let's get started. For this, we will only need 8 strips of paper, 2 strips for each bead. So, for the first bead, the big one, I'm using around 2 centimeters, and the second one will be few millimeters less than 2 centimeters. So, you just keep decreasing in few millimeters for every bead. So that is how you come in the decreasing manner in the size. So to make this pillow bead, we roll the paper just holding it in hand with no sticks or rollers in hand. So but we have to be only careful while doing this because we need to make sure that the paper stays in the center of the bead. So this allows us to create that beautiful pattern when we are folding the paper. So just keep folding the strips and make sure that it is in the center, and glue and secure the ends of the strips. Make sure that you do not use excess glue, which we can do it for the normal beads, but here because of the white color, just let us only use the required quantity, not excess, so that it doesn't leave any stain marks. And see this beautiful pattern which is on the pillow bead. And the second one will be little lesser than the first bead. Now I'm not glazing this bead here this time because it is quite long and it doesn't get um, close to the body, so it does not require to be water resistant or something. So I'm not using any um, glazing or sealing for this beads. So we just keep folding the strips of paper, and this is a plain white color paper I have used. And the beads, the reason I'm not making it fluffy like the regular pillow beads which will be fluffy, is because I'm using a very long paper and a strip for this. So this makes the bead real hard, and it is difficult even to make it fluffy. So that is how I have completed the second bead as well. Now, once we finish making the beads, which we require, we will then start putting them all together onto the thread or the neck thread, whatever we have. This is the beautiful pillow bead. Now I have made 4 beads and I'm using a white color string thread for the necklace. To hang it to the thread, I will use a thin wire which can make a loop on the top and bottom of the bead so that it will become easy for me to hang one bead to the other. So here if you see that I'm making a loop on the top with help of the nose pliers, and same way I will have to make one at the bottom of the bead as well. This thing looks little fussy and little tedious, but once we finish making and look at the end product, we are really going to be so happy of ourselves because it is just with one white paper and some thread. We're going to create a beautiful neck piece which is so unique. Okay, here the top part is done, and now comes the bottom hook. Just bend it and turn it and make a loop of the wire, and excess wire can be trimmed off. So once we have both the loops on the bead, we can just connect each bead with the other easily. So same way we make the loops for the rest of the beads as well. So now that four beads are ready with the loops, we will start connecting the first bead with the second, the third, and the fourth. So just open the top part of the loop and hook it to the bottom part of the first loop. So that's how we attach both the beads. The same way we will do it with the third and the fourth as well. So the final one, the third one, we open the loop and attach the fourth bead as shown. So this is how we finished looping all the, I mean, fixing all the beads to the chain or the thread, whatever we having. I'm using the white color thread, which I think makes the necklace even more beautiful. The white beads and the white necklace. And here the necklace is ready. I'm sure you all like this. Thank you so much for watching.